Ramdham Amusement Park, Suvi Bird Park. We just crossed the